Hi, I'm Meenakshi, Manager RFID Solutions at AB Logics. Today we are going to demonstrate the working of different RFID applications. A typical RFID system consists of a tag that is affixed onto the object that needs to be identified, a reader that reads the tag information, and a backend system where the data is transferred. Now you can see the working of an RFID system. An RFID reader reads the tag information and it is passed on to the backend software. You can see the reading of different tags and the reader passes the information to the backend. We'll now see the working of laptop identification using RFID. Theft of laptops and missing of laptops has become a major issue in all organizations. RFID provides a convenient solution to this problem. RFID enabled ID cards are issued to the employees and every laptop is tagged with an RFID tag. Details about this laptop is stored with reference to the tag ID in the database. As an employee carries a tagged laptop, the laptop ID is identified and the employee ID is matched with the laptop. The person carrying the laptop is an authorized person. To this backend software, we'll get details like who has carried the laptop and what time the laptop has been carried. Both the in time as well as the out time when the laptop has come into the organization and has moved out of the organization is available in the database. So at the end of every month, reports are available. Now we'll see a scenario where a person carries a wrong laptop. It shows the person is unauthorized to carry the laptop and it gives an alarm to the security personnel to avoid theft of laptops. Thus, a laptop identification system helps us to avoid the theft of laptops in any organization and it gives us a detailed report of the in and out movement of laptops. Similar to laptop identification, RFID can be used for a wide range of applications. We have different form factors of tags available. Based on the application and the type of asset that needs to be tagged, the form factor differs. This is a windscreen tag that is used to tag vehicles. As a vehicle enters the campus, the particular tag ID is identified and the boom barrier opens. Similarly, based on different applications, we have different form factors. These are metal-on tags that are used for containers or heavy metals. Tags that are used for jewelry applications. RFID labels that can be stuck on to file and documents or can also be used for library applications. RFID can be used for a wide range of applications like vehicle identification, container management, jewelry management, asset identification, laptops. Organizations face a major problem of missing assets and also in inventory process. RFID provides a speedier inventory process. This is a handheld terminal. It's a mobile device. This has an RFID reader as well as a barcode. During inventory, the person needs to take the particular handheld reader and scan all the tags. In a fraction of a second, the complete inventory is completed. Similarly, RFID readers also come in different forms. This is an stationary reader with external antennas. We can connect 16 antennas to this reader. This is an antenna which is connected to this reader. This is a 4-port RFID reader. Similar antennas can be connected. In applications where authentication is required, this is an RFID enabled certificate. The certificate has an RFID tag embedded in it. This can be used for educational institutions and all government agencies. Can be used for mark sheets, hall tickets, driving license, passports, as well as for all applications. The RFID tag will be embedded into the item. RFID system provides a greater visibility of assets in any organization. It avoids the purchase of assets that are already available. It avoids the misplacement and missing of assets. In case an asset is missing in an organization, Using the handheld scanner, they can scan all the items and the particular asset is identified. This is an RFID tag that can be used on for tagging assets in a retail application. Tags that can be mounted on to cylindrical assets. RFID tags for pipes. Metal-on tags that can be mounted on to the vehicles. Tags that can be put on to for a jewelry application. These are tags that can be used for heavy vehicles or for containers. For applications, for outdoor applications like container management, vehicle identification, we have rug tags that are available. The tags are affixed onto the container or the vehicle that needs to be identified. Tamper-proof tags are also available that does not function once it is removed. Thus, RFID provides a greater visibility and improves the life cycle of the process. Thus, RFID provides a greater visibility of assets in any organization. Either it be the corporate segment, healthcare, pharmaceuticals, logistics, manufacturing or any industry, RFID has suitable solutions to all problems, all present problems. Thank you.